up your speed. That was a couple of years ago, and now I'm revving up for the never end, switching up gears, got a couple of years to go. Here we go, as soon as you hear that go, Liverpool to Portsmouth, yeah, that chorus got the crowd screaming. Seatbelt, Derek's back. Time to blow like I'm dynamo. No more disappearing act. I know you missed me, I missed you too. Sometimes that's what a miss will do. Like Tayo, I was cruising. Now it's time to take my steering back. One of the best to ever do it. A testament to this gang. And even in the wind, I never blew it. I swayed but kept to my lane. They call me Fleetwood Mac. I'm a Mac with a fleet. Still getting royalties. No spoiler, but I spoil you me. I got the crowd screaming.
The world screaming KA's back. Yeah, it's official. Trumpets, please. No kicks, bro, brother, this is the result. Slick Rick, bitch, the rulers, the official. KA and Swag came over, blow the whistle. Music, you gotta show fit so. Paint these pictures so visual. MCs wanna come spit too, and girls wanna go and shake if so. I'm still speeding, you don't wanna meet me at the light. Review mirror, ain't a thing inside.
They tried to give me a ticket, but I ripped it like a raffle. Tell them people I am Mr. Derek Sacco. Pedal to the metal on the level, I ain't gonna settle for anything less than gold. I ain't gonna bet it around about, end up and down and out. Trying to build since I was a little giver in my hand and I go running for the fields and the meadows of Valley Valley. Yeah, now I'm on the hill, which your pedal was able to make a fake boy, but I can never make a real boy hard to steal. I ain't gonna stop it till I do it, keep on believing. I gave him my number when I was told to do it. Didn't get it back, I'm on the bill and get it fresh from the bag. Bombs your uncle, lights up, can feel it, give it, cause I've got the willpower, with the potential, but I've got the credentials. All of the essentials, when I get stressed from my BP rises, but I'm never gonna stop it, I need to get
keep on growing till I find myself a new God. If we're meant to be together, change the way you see the weather. Live for now, forget forever. We can still be here December. If we're meant to be together, change the way you see the weather. Live for now, forget forever. On another midnight run, sniffing for trouble, one lucky for some. On another midnight run, I'll still be breathing come the morning sun. It's hot in my eyes, it's hot in my ears. I know, love your tears. You're hurting inside, been hurting for years. I know, love your tears. But it's never that clear, clear. All those things you said you don't like were helping me get high as a kite. Someone promised me they wouldn't bite. I guess I'm someone different. I'll keep on going, I'll keep on going till my heart says no. I'll keep on growing, I'll keep on growing till I find myself a new show. If we're meant to be together, change the way you see the weather. Live for now, forget forever. We can still be here December. If we're meant to be together, change the way you see the weather. Live for now, forget forever. On another midnight run, sniffing for trouble, unlucky for some. On another midnight run, I'll still be breathing come the morning sun. It's hot in my eyes, it's hot in my ears. I know, love your tears. You're hurting inside, been hurting for years. I know, love your tears. But it's never that clear, clear. Got a couple skeletons in my closet, couple of skeletons in my bed, couple of skeletons in my wallet, couple of skeletons in my head. I never should've listened to the serpent. No one's perfect, certainly it worked for me. You've tasted sherbet, so don't point your sticks at me. I've read the 10 commandments at large, no harm ignoring parts of it. Had it up to here with a jargon pardon, they're my rules I started. Not saying that I don't feel guilty, silky smooth, it's never gonna be. But I'm looking at a man in the mirror right now and I'm not quite sure it's me. On another midnight run, sniffing for trouble, unlucky for some. On another midnight run, I'll still be breathing come the morning sun. It's hot in my eyes, it's hot in my ears. I know, love your tears. You're hurting inside, been hurting for years. I know, love your tears.
You can suck a dick, you can suck on a ball sack. No, I don't endorse that. Pause that, abort that. Just the other day I go to London, saw that kids in the street, paparazzi, all that. Hey, what can I say? Day. Coming through the club, all the girls in the back of me. This ain't football, why the fuck they tryna tackle me? Really? I peeped dude at the bar like Billy, looking like he want a good time like Billy. Said he got a friend from my homegirl Lily. So many boys in here, where do I begin? I see the sword, I'm about to go in.
just wanna make you sweat. I wanna make you sweat. I just wanna make you sweat. I wanna make you sweat. Sweat, sweat. Can you give me love like I'm late on my first class? So I can give it to you off like a first draft. Hold you like a paper plane. You know I got paper, babe. But $3 bills, girl, make it rain. Holiday Inn, come and meet me on my day to glow. Damn, it feels good, but I feel bad for the main stove. And I apologize, but when I slip up, I told girls to slip and slide. I just wanna make you sweat. I wanna make you sweat. I just wanna make you sweat. I wanna make you sweat. Sweat. I just wanna make you sweat.